Bitcoin broke out of the neckline, guys, and we had a nice pump in the Bitcoin price, and we actually met the exact target that we have been talking about. So what is coming next, guys? Which levels we have to watch for Bitcoin to the downside, and is Bitcoin right now actually looking quite bullish, and can we continue this uptrend? Guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. And guys, if you appreciate the analysis over the past couple of days, then I would highly appreciate it if you would leave a thumbs up. I think we were one of the only ones who were quite bullish during this price action. We have seen a lot of bearish sentiment out there, but we have been bullish during this whole time, and right now had a great call with this inverse head and shoulders pattern. So guys, this was a great call. I've also shared that over on my Twitter right here, that we're potentially forming that inverse head and shoulders pattern, and that the target would be around $44,000 US. Well, we met that target. We actually slightly overshot it to 44,200, slightly below that level, and right now we are seeing that we are getting some form of resistance from those levels. So that's quite interesting. Also, in the momentum indicators, we have seen a nice breakout and retest, which was a extra confirmation, of course, that we after we have seen a break of the neckline right here. So that is all looking quite good. But the big question is, what can we expect right now in the Bitcoin price, or at least which levels do we need to watch? Well, guys, I want to go to the daily time frame for that. Let me get rid of the momentum indicators right here. And I want to bring out a moving average, and that is this one. That is the 20 daily moving average. Guys, the 20 daily moving average has been in historical Bitcoin price action a very key moving average in telling us whenever Bitcoin is starting a rally. For example, we have seen it right here. The moment Bitcoin started the rally, we broke above the 20 daily moving average, and this level acted as support until we broke back below it. The rally was over. Right here it was kind of the same. It's not super accurate. Sometimes we do get a close below and the next day a close back above, or we are hovering around this level. But roughly, this is a moving average you want to be watching when Bitcoin is starting its rally. So this is also going to be the level that I'm watching right now to the downside. The 20 daily moving average is right now at 40,750. Roughly, that would align with this trend line right here, which is the neckline of that inverse head and shoulders pattern that we have seen right there, which we always could see a retest from. So if you are interested in longing Bitcoin and you didn't catch the breakout right here, then you can always consider, if you also think that Bitcoin is going to continue in this uptrend, to catch more Bitcoin when we are going to see these levels, when we are going to potentially test that neckline or the 20 daily moving average. And of course, if you want to be ensured you are in that trade, you can always put those orders slightly above these levels. So that is quite interesting. That would be my strategy if you wouldn't catch the breakout during this price action. Of course, if you are interested in trading Bitcoin, you can do that on the exchanges that I'm recommending down below this video. If you right now sign up over on the Bybit exchange, you can get a $4,100 deposit bonus, and you will get a 10% discount on your fees. Bybit is by far the best cryptocurrency exchange out there, which is offering trading on the spot market and trading with leverage. So guys, if you are interested in that, you can find my affiliate link down below this video. Then guys, when we go to the daily time frame of Bitcoin and we are zooming a little bit out right here, then I've been talking about this pattern, this ascending channel pattern that we might be in right now, and that we are seeing, or could be seeing right now, something like a double bottom formation, where eventually Bitcoin is going to trend up, slowly going to the resistance of this ascending channel again, which would be above the previous all-time high. And eventually, in a bullish case scenario, if that would align with the stock market doing good as well, we could be seeing something like this. where we breaking out of this structure and eventually enter a blow off top phase. Can we say something already right now? This is a very bullish scenario. No, definitely not, guys. Bitcoin is not out of the woods yet. That is very important to realize. Just that we are seeing a bounce right here doesn't mean that that is going to continue in the next uptrend. We definitely have to break some key levels in order to be more confident about such a scenario. And for that, I want to go to the weekly time frame, guys, and I want to bring out the 21 weekly EMA right here. We got the 20 weekly and we got the 20 weekly EMA, both very key levels. To be honest, some traders, they watch the 21 weekly EMA as a signal for the weekly time frame whether Bitcoin is in a bull or in a bear market. So when we are trading below this level, we are in a bear market, and when we are trading above this level, we are in a bull market. And some traders, they are using the 20-week simple moving average. So for just the easiest way right here, I would just put them both right here. As you can see, Bitcoin right now is trading below both of these moving averages. So that is still something we have to be very cautious about, because as long as we are trading below these levels and we get rejected from these levels, then Bitcoin is actually looking more bearish. But if we can get a weekly close above these levels, guys, that would bring a lot of confidence back into the markets, and that could start a massive rally in the Bitcoin price if we can hold these levels. So let me talk a bit about a strategy we could apply right here, which for most of you guys who are watching me already for some time know what I'm going to say right here. The moment we are getting a weekly close above these moving averages, and the 21 weekly EMA is right now acting as resistance. Roughly, we already got some resistance from the target of the inverse head and shoulders pattern, but the 21 weekly EMA is at, let's say, approximately $45,000 US. Then the 20-week SMA is at 48,500. So that is basically a big gap. Which Bitcoin needs to fill, which Bitcoin needs to climb up and get a weekly close above, in order for the majority of the traders out there to really get a lot of confidence. But if this happens, most likely it will be followed by a nice rally in the Bitcoin price, unless we were to see a weekly close back below these levels. So that is going to be important. If we get a weekly close above these levels, a lot of confidence can flow back into these markets. A lot of liquidity that right now is waiting on the sidelines that we have been talking about in all of these videos can flow back into the markets. However, if we get a weekly close back below after breaking it, that is a huge warning signal, and that would directly cancel all the bullishness that breakout would actually bring, because in the end it is then a fake out. So that is important to watch right now. Bitcoin is looking bullish. We could be forming that double bottom formation. Level that I'm watching to the downside is the 20 daily moving up, 20 daily moving average. Level I'm watching to the upside is the 21 weekly EMA at 45k and the 20 week SMA at 48.5k. Then, guys, I want to bring you to the regular financial markets, because this, of course, has been a very important chart for us as well to be bullish about Bitcoin and to predict what is going to happen with Bitcoin. When we have a look at the regular financial markets, then we had this head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder right here, head in the middle, right shoulder right there. And the moment we broke that to the downside, I already made a video, if you guys can remember, that most likely, or there is quite a probability right here, that this is a trap. Similar like we have seen in 2018, when we are breaking back into this rising channel, trapping a lot of investors, and eventually just reversing and going back, continuing this uptrend. And what we have seen right here, and my signal was basically what I was saying is, if we break it, we should be bearish. However, if we get back above this neckline, that is an immediate bullish signal, showing us that there's a lot of strength coming back, and that we are seeing potentially a fake out right here from this bearish formation. then we should be turning bullish. So right now we got a nice break back above the neckline. Also, when we have a look at the momentum indicators, guys, we are seeing these nice bullish divergences on the relative strength index, the MACD, Orion's belt. So I definitely expect, guys, that we can see a nice pump in the S&P 500. Also, like we have been talking about, the uncertainty that is going on in Europe between Russia and Ukraine. If we have a look at historical times when all this uncertainty is going on, we are often seeing that the regular financial markets afterwards are doing quite well, because all this uncertainty is already priced in during this correction. And right now there is just the market dynamics changed, and right now there's just a lot of cash on the sidelines searching for a place to go, right? So I think a lot of that will go into the regular financial markets, and of course a lot of that will go into Bitcoin and into altcoins too. So guys, yesterday I've been showing you this chart, and we are already seeing the first reaction. This is the altcoin market cap, and what we can see right here is that we are touching an important support level with a fake out, coming along with bullish divergences over on the momentum indicators. Like I said yesterday, guys, I expect a bounce in the altcoins, potentially even a nice breakout right here. And yeah, we are already seeing some bullishness coming back. Yesterday we have been looking at Link. Let's see what Link is doing. Yeah, we got a small bounce so far in Link already. Not super significant yet, but we really want to see if we want to see, for example, this chart getting more bullish to break back into this channel and continue this uptrend. So guys, right now it's still a little bit shaky overall in the crypto markets. Bitcoin is looking good. We are seeing the first signs of a potential bigger rally that we could see in the Bitcoin price. However, there's still some heavy resistance, macro resistance above us we shouldn't ignore, and we should take it level for level. So the next level that Bitcoin right now needs to reclaim is $45,000, and yeah, preferably with a nice weekly close. That would bring already a lot of confidence back into the crypto markets. If we afterwards can create or can close above 48.5k as well, that would be a very good sign, guys, showing us that right now on the weekly time frame we are back into a uptrend after a prolonged period of a correction. So guys, that is what I'm watching right now in Bitcoin. Let me know what you watch in Bitcoin down below in the comment section. Do you think that this is just a breather, just a retracement, and that we eventually still going to see lower levels? Or do you think that we are right now at the right end and that this is actually more bullish than bearish, and that Bitcoin might be trading in this bigger bullish formation and this bigger uptrend, and that eventually we can if we successfully break above these key resistance levels on the weekly time frame, continue this bull market and continue this macro uptrend. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. For everybody who is interested in trading Bitcoin and is interested in supporting the channel, make sure to scroll below this video. First of all, to hit the thumbs up button, guys, that is very much appreciated always. And if you want to trade on one of these platforms, you can find my affiliate links down below. If you sign up on one of these platforms, Bybit, VMAX, or the Prime XBT exchange, you can get an additional bonus. On Bybit right now, the biggest bonus is going on of $4,100 if you meet the deposit requirements, and you will get a 10% discount on your fees. Only available with my affiliate link down below, and for a limited time. On the VMAX platform, you can get a $1,200 bonus, and on the Prime XBT exchange, you can get a 25% discount on your fees. Do take in mind, guys, if you want to trade with leverage, that is more for experienced traders, and you should be able to trade already profitably on the spot market. If you want to even think about trading with leverage. That is just my 5 cents right here. But yeah, if you want to sign up on one of these platforms, you can find my affiliate links down below. If you are not following me over on Twitter yet, make sure to follow me over on Twitter. I'll leave the link to my Twitter account down below in the description. Then guys, I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.